Hello guys, my name is Claudius Fertesi. This year I've been getting into property investing. I've attended pretty much every single course in the entire UK that's available. And today I am at Paul Smith Touchstone 3-day course. And it's been amazing. Today was very, very helpful. We talked about different strategies in property investing, serviced accommodation, which Paul is extremely good at. He's pretty much the king of it. And I learned many things that no one really taught before in other courses.
I would recommend it to my mum. I would, it's something like that. I think even if you're interested in property a little bit, just to get the knowledge and education, I think it's brilliant. And you learn so much that you wouldn't ever learn, on the internet or YouTube.
Without even meeting them, you start relating with them. That okay, this is a guy I want to trust and I want to listen to this guy. So by the time he said hello in his video, that's where I kick on. I was like, I'm in. That's it.
The information from Paul and Aniko has been absolutely fantastic.
What are fantastic those 3 days?
They have saved my business for me with the information they've given me. It's absolutely life-changing.
Well, I say it was really wonderful. Everybody was so helpful from the right beginning to the end. Everybody was trying to help us. Yeah, it was so wonderful.
The love, affection, and the natural smile on the people's.
I would recommend it to family and friends.
Yeah, they're plenty. They all are knowledgeable. They're doing these things from a long time. So they're the perfect, people who can guide you going forward in your property journey.
They are original. They are lovely. They care about you, and yes, they are beautiful as well.
Really good, really professional, but in a really light-hearted manner, informative. And it rolls along, it's not too stuffy, they really keep it nice and easy and everyone's enjoying it. I've met the big man, he's all right.
You meet many cool people in the business, beginners, more advanced people. It's a really good environment to be in.
I see myself in the community of Touchstone, in the family, and maybe £500,000 better off.
I've probably learned more in 2 days than if I worked for a property company for 30 years. It's true.